Hi, it's Emily from WTI. Who doesn't want to have access to fresh herbs in their kitchen? But it's kind of hard when you have to give up counter space and workspace to keep those herbs. Well, this floating plant shelf from the Urban Leaf Store has solved all of our problems. This has been the perfect size to attach to our kitchen window and holds 3 mini herb plant pots exactly right. We've used this dead space between this large workstation and the window to now repurpose that space into a fresh herb garden. This acrylic plant window shelf came beautifully packaged in a lovely box that has the instructions exactly on the inside lid. So it's super easy to use. There's even a QR code on the inside of the packaging that you can scan for additional information and helpful videos. The back bar on this acrylic shelf keeps it really sturdy against the window, and there's instructions for how to make sure that you've got the suction cups perfectly adhered. We love this little plant shelf. It has repurposed what was previously a dead space and made it possible for us to have fresh herbs in the kitchen without giving up our precious cutting and workspace. I am really happy with the quality of this shelf. It has meant that we are able to utilize this previously unusable space. It's a beautiful combination of form and function. I'm so happy with this product, and I think you will be too. But that's just my point of view.